Hi, my name is Dave Lang, and I facilitate 2 continuous improvement consortia in Wisconsin. The consortia model is simple. Its goal is to gather continuous improvement practitioners together to teach, learn, and explore, and ultimately apply lean techniques in their businesses. We achieve this through meeting approximately 8 times a year at member facilities, and those include a topic of discussion or 2, and they always include a plant tour. Our goal is simply to put our members in the best position possible to apply lean techniques and to continuously improve. Please take a moment to hear our members' stories.
Our company is Eggers Industries, and we produce aesthetically beautiful wood products. I've been a consortium member now for 9 years. But as far as the learning, we're very open. We share ideas. They help us, we help them. It's a great tool for that.
Our company is Baytech Games in Pulaski, Wisconsin, and we manufacture coin-operated redemption games all over the U.S. and internationally. Our lean journey started about 9 years ago.
Velocity is a precision machining company. I've been with them about 2.5 years. Investing the cost of membership in a consortium it was a no-brainer. We've probably gotten back 5 to 10-fold in savings. Being able to let my team members meet other people and see other companies and have them come into our facility with a different set of eyes, a different perspective, has opened their mind tremendously that maybe there is another world out there and a different way of doing things.
I work for Neenah Enterprise, which is the parent company of Neenah Foundry. We've been part of the CI consortium for about the last 3 to 4 years at NAI. We've seen a number of different items as we've been part of the consortium, in particular the benchmarking opportunities at various companies. What we've seen is what some people do very, very well. We've been able to capitalize on those ideas, transfer them into our industry, and really make some huge benefits.
We are somewhat unique in that we are not only a small business, but we're also not a traditional manufacturer. We are primarily a distributor of industrial equipment. We don't have a full-time continuous improvement staff member. We have been a consortium member for approximately 3 years. Assumptions that I had made about lean is that you only applied it mainly, at least in our shop or in a manufacturing setting. But it's become obvious being in the membership that lean is basically a way of life, and it can be applied to any type of business and anywhere in your business, whether it's in the office, in a service van, or on our production floor.
Collaborative learning and sharing of ideas, benchmarking has been the biggest benefit I've seen. Coming into a company new and being able to expose my team members who may not have seen other companies in their career, other processes, understand what Lean Six Sigma really looks like when it's done well, has really been a big benefit.
We share ideas, they help us, we help them. It's a great tool for that.
When you do expand your network and you do understand that there are other companies that are on the journey with you, you understand what your shortcomings are more so than how you've succeeded.
Being part of this and working with 30, 40 different people from other companies is a tremendous way to increase your ideas to pick from. Just like reading 30 or 40 different books every month. Even outside of the organized consortium meetings, I have gotten together with peers in the group and exchanged ideas and helped each other.
One example would be training within industry, which we saw a great example at a facility down in Milwaukee, which we were pretty much stalled until we went down, saw it in place, actually being done, and then it was like magic. Our vice president of operations said, I gotta have this.
The benefit really outweighs the cost significantly, as we've kind of really promoted our employees to go to consortium meetings, be part of other Optima ventures. So we're kind of pushing our lean culture, I wouldn't say from the top down, but just really kind of horizontally across the organization.
One of the first projects that we tackled was value stream mapping our unit entry process. We were able to identify non-value added steps, and because of that we greatly improved our sales force and inside engineers' efficiencies. We also were able to get our invoices out to our customers in a timely fashion, and that greatly improved our cash flow.
We've benefited through square footage reduction. We've increased profitability.
The owner of our company that I came into has made a statement some time back that impressed me, where he said, I don't need to prove that Lean Six Sigma is the right thing to do. Toyota's already done that. We just need to go do it. So investing the costs of membership in a consortium it was a no-brainer. He agreed, I agreed. We've probably gotten back 5 to 10-fold what we pay every year.
Just having other peers come and visit us and give us suggestions on what they're doing helped our employees understand and realize the value of continuously doing CI events throughout the company.
Again, being able to let my team members meet other people and see other companies and have them come into our facility with a different set of eyes, a different perspective, has opened their mind tremendously that maybe there is another world out there and a different way of doing things. We're not sitting on our status quo. We're always looking to improve.
Being part of a consortia, you really are able to expand your own knowledge base just by touring, networking, and understanding how other companies apply the lean principles.
It's made me a more observant individual as I go through somebody else's operation who's in a completely different industry than I'm in, which then allows me to take some of those learnings and some of those observation skills and apply them back in my own industry.
We don't have to read about lean concepts in theory in a textbook. We can see them applied in a tangible view when we go to different members' facilities. Also, if we want to work on a larger project, we can look towards our peer members for advice on how to get started.
So understanding where you can improve your own education from a lean perspective based on how other companies are succeeding, I think that's where I personally have gotten the most growth.
The group challenges me. They challenge me to learn new things. They show me things that I wouldn't have seen otherwise.
Because we meet about every month and we develop a relationship with each other, we can hold each other accountable when we feel that we're not maybe achieving the goals that we set for ourselves.
Being a member, I think, has been a motivator. Without that, we wouldn't know just how well we're doing.
Being that I'm an owner of the company, being on the consortium definitely sends a message that we're serious about continuous improvement, and it's always going to be in the forefront of our strategic planning.
I've been a part of some kind of a peer network group now most of my career, and without that, how would you know if you're doing a good job? How would you know if you're doing enough? We need to help each other.
It's an easy, yes, you should do it. But the only caveat I put on them is you have to be willing to give as well as take. You need to participate. You need to get the benefit. You need to invest the time. It's not hard. It's just like anything else. Put it on your schedule and make it happen. And it's well worth it.